So I've just launched a squadron because I can see this Akizuki over in the ACAT, and you can see how quickly they react. Yeah, they're pretty fast. Probably about 20 seconds from when I spot them when I'm in. I've set up a broadside attack here. I'm going to try and drop at long range and then flip around over them. Oh, I spot the Kagro as I go over them too. And look at that, 2 hits, 7260. So try and flip around. I've actually gone a bit far out here actually. I could have flipped around a bit closer. But I'm in really good position to drop. I'll try and drop on the close skip. And another 2. And now he's in smoke, so I've got to have a little guess as to where he is, but that smoke circle doesn't look like it's getting any bigger, so he's probably somewhere in the middle. So it's an educated guess.
We've sent a destroyer to the bottom.
Guess successful.